Leadership Summit was 20 years ago, 2004, local president-elect. Yeah. 32-year-old little know-it-all. And since then, I've learned how little I actually do know, so it's been fascinating. But I think back, and you're going to see tomorrow that, because I know some of you have been to many of these just like I have, we're getting back to basics, some of this stuff. And we're going to focus on what we need to focus on. And I empowered our staff in January when I became president, and some of you may have heard me say this, but I told them that we need to put aside all the extra stuff. We don't need to be frivolous on things, and instead get back to the basics. Because when you're in a rut or a slump, and I'm going back to my days in athletics, how do you get out of that slump? And it's get back to the basics. Focus on the fundamentals. And the fundamentals for me, for our association, for our members, for our leaders, is we need to do things to make our members more successful. Even though that's not what our strategic mission is, for me, that's what it is. If we do stuff to make our members more successful, then we've accomplished the job that we need to do. So, I've talked too much. I know you guys weren't expecting me, but I'm happy to answer any questions if there are any questions. So my local association in 2004, I think we had just merged, so we might have been about 1,400 members. I'm from Springfield, Massachusetts, and I was involved with my state association, with the Massachusetts Association of Realtors. At the time, we probably had somewhere in the vicinity of 16,000 members in Massachusetts. We're up to 25,000 now. My local now is about 1,800. But yeah, it's been quite a journey.